Hello guys, Dhiren here, and now you can see my Adobe Muse software totally expired, and there is no option to click continue trial period. So a trial period, it's seeing you can see here 0 days remaining. So I'm going to get it for free for lifetime. So get started. So I have to close it right now. So you can see a file here on the desktop, so you can download it from the description, because I will give the link in the description. So first of all, I have to extract it right now. So extract to, I think it's already extracted. So where's the file? You can see this is the file, and first of all, I have to do copy it. So right click and copy it, and go to my computer and see, then program file, then Adobe, and you can find here three folder: Adobe Muse CC 2018, Adobe Photoshop CC 2015, and sorry, Adobe Muse CC 2018. So it's already I got full version. So now I'm getting it right now. Okay, so open it and paste here. So you can see a pop-up, so you hit on continue. Okay, so you can see here the file and open it right now. So yes, so what should I have to do here? You have to do select what you want to get for free. Okay, so which software you want to free. So I just want sing Adobe Muse, I think. So oh, sorry, Adobe Muse CC. You can select it here, and okay, install it right now. So there's a showing a pop-up, and you have to select AMTLIF, sorry, DLL file. So open it right now. So working done. So you can see here. So okay, it's working done. It's finally cracked. You can say it cracked. So guys, here you can uh, get all softwares of Adobe Muse for free. So now I'm going to open this again. So what is the result finally I will get? So you can see here. Come. So guys, it's a good thing, because I've got completely free. You can see here, and you can also get it free. So then please like, do subscribe our channel, and share as you can. Guys, subscribe our channel, because I will bring such types of video. And so bye bye, and thanks for watching.